how to fix. Unfortunately, Twitter has stopped on any Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and then go to storage, click clean up, and now here you need to find junk files or cache, and then clean it. And after that just go back and try again. Your problem must be fixed, but if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings and then apps, and now apps again, and here you will find Twitter. Just type it and you will find it. And after that just click force stop and then click storage and clear cache, and then go to Play Store and check if there is any update, and then just update your Twitter and all your problems must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.